Yummy.
Good. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Happy birthday to you.
Woo, woo.
Happy birthday to you.
Woo, woo.
Happy birthday, dear Sam and Maggie.
Woo, woo. Oh, look at
Happy
yours, Sam.
birthday
Eat
to
it, Maggie.
Woo, woo.
She's the first one to eat it. She's like, I don't know.
It feels icky.
That's the way Sarah and John was. Sarah took it first, but then after John figured out what it was, he tore into it.
Do you want to?
Ooh, is that good? Is that good, Moo?
Yummy. Move it in a little bit closer to her and him. Spread his feet out. There we go. I think that's what. Oh, and if he gets his feet in it, that's fun. Oh, she's like, oh, I'm going to get yours too. Is it good? Taste it, Sam.
Yum, yum.
Taste
Yummy,
it.
yummy.
Come on, Sam. Eat it.
Sam. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
No. It's good, isn't it? Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Is it good?
Sam, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Sam, yummy, yummy.
Eat it.
I guess Sam wants to share with us, so he wants to keep it.
Y'all are silly. Y'all are silly.
Is that good, Margaret?
Is that good?
Is that good? Yum.
You gonna get some of Bubba's? Huh?
Hey, you gotta get excited.
Should we stick his hand in it? Stick his hand in it, maybe.
You got half your day over there. Woo! What's your Ooh, that's kind of good. I'm sticky this one my nose. What is it, Daniel? Eat it.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Mmm.